Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile in the Hostelworld application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the edit details, and as you can see, you can add a photo to your personal section. You can edit your full name, your date of birth. You can also add your nationality if you want to. You can set your email address. You can change it, but to do that you need to contact the customer service first. And of course you can update your password anytime. And if you made any changes, just click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page, and it will save your new data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.